Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we'll be building a simple React app, a weather app, a basic weather app. So in my last tutorial, I taught you on how to create your app, how to set up your React app on your PC. So today we'll be going a little bit further into creating a basic weather app. So let's get started. Navigate to your CMD and open your CMD. Let me expand a little bit. Yes. And I'll also be introducing you to a little thing called Vite. Vite is a fast build tool for modern web projects. So we'll be using it in combination with React to make our projects fast and to make it super quick, to make the whole setting up process seamless. So let's get started. What we just have to do right now is to run the command by typing npm Okay, let's name our app cloud app cloud app templates react. So click enter. We have to wait for it to load. Okay, it's asking us to select framework. So there are diverse frameworks right here, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be making use of React framework. So all we just have to do is to use the arrow keys to click React. Then the variants, we'll be making use of a JavaScript variant. So click JavaScript. Then we're asked to install this. So we just have to copy then paste. Okay, it's going to take a while for it to install. We just have to wait patiently. And there we have it. We have successfully created our apps folder. So all we just have to do is copy this link here to confirm that it has been created successfully. Then we paste it on our browser and allow it to load. Okay, as you can see here, it's loaded. So the next step, the next thing we have to do is to create the basic UI setup. And before creating the basic UI setup, we are going to install a library called Axios. Axios is a library that helps us create HTTP requests. It helps us create HTTP requests. I also forgot to mention, when building this app, we'll be making use of an API. We'll be fetching our weather live data from the OpenWeatherMap API. So we need this Axios to help create HTTP requests in order for us to successfully fetch API. So right now, the next step is to install the Axios library. So right now, we just have to go back to our command prompt, then copy the path. Here, this is copy. Then we can just decide to open on that terminal. Then we type in cd I'm going to expand it, then click enter. Then after this, we would install the library. And in order to install the library, we just have to type in npm install Axios. We'll wait a couple of seconds for it to install. Okay, so it's installed successfully. So the next step right now is to open our folder with our Visual Studio Code. So all you just have to do is navigate to the part where your React app is installed. Remember, the name of our React app is Cloud App. So let's do that. Okay, as you can see right here, this is our structure. In my last tutorial, I explained the project structure, a normal standard React project structure. So now, like I said, we have to create our basic UI setup. So we navigate to the app.jsx where our major code will be. Then we can decide to clear this default. Can decide to clear this default here. Then we'll be adding a simple input field where users can type in a city name and click on the button to get a weather, to get the weather. And also, like I said, we'll be integrating with the OpenWeatherMap API in order to fetch real-time weather data. So let's start right now. here we have it. So I guess we're done with the code. I would like to point out a few things. So this right here is my own personal API key, and I already copied it. So to get your API key, all you just have to do is visit the website openweathermap.org/API. You have to register, then you navigate to your profile, then get your API key to use for the purpose of this tutorial. So right now, the next step is to test our weather app. So let me do a quick recap and explanation of some things here. So we added a placeholder where you can type in your city name. The live weather result is going to appear once you click. Then we also added an alert, a prompt that occurs probably when you search a city and it's unable to fetch the request, or a wrong city. You get the prompt that says city not found, please try again. So like I said, it's a very basic weather app. So let's test our weather app. So right here, just have to do is, as you can see, it's quite simple, but it's perfect if you want to learn off for your portfolio. And I'll also be dropping the link to my GitHub where the codes are, so you can practice on your own, and you can also tweak some things on your own. So let's test it. So right now, let's assume we want to check the weather for Amsterdam. So Amsterdam, get weather. As you can see, the temperature in Amsterdam currently is 2.79 degrees Celsius, and the condition is clear sky. There's a clear sky right now in Amsterdam. So let's try, which city can we try? Let's try Paris. Okay, the current temperature in Paris is 3.31 degrees Celsius. Let's try Norway. Gets weather. Okay, the current weather condition in Norway is minus 12.74 degrees Celsius. So this is not a weather forecast or weather tutorial. So there you have it. We have a fully functional, simple and basic weather app. Like I said, I'm going to drop the links to my GitHub where you can find the codes and tweak, and also the link to the API where you can fetch data from. So that's it. We've successfully built a simple weather app using React and Vite, and we added API integration and some cool stuff. If you enjoyed the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and kindly subscribe. See you in my next tutorial. Cheers.